Hi Margaret, this is Andrew White. I'm working with Renee Vanderwatt, and we're here to show you our finalized version of our project. Again, just as a reminder, we're doing an asteroids game. So right off the bat, the assignment asks for at least 3 classes. You'll notice here that we have quite a few more than 3, and I'll go through these. So we have our basic player class. Didn't really use any of the requirements that was needed for the project, so just in case you want to see the code. And then our asteroid, same deal. Didn't really require any of the requirements. Again, just another piece needed. This controls the laser of our player. And now here, we actually have our writing method for the I/O. So what'll happen is when the player when the player has less than 0 lives, and that just means they have 0 remaining, we'll go ahead and start this coroutine, and that will actually go ahead and record the player's score, which we'll write to our text file, and I will show you that here shortly. And then it also kind of displays some of the HUD elements, which I imagine would kind of fulfill the requirements for our interface, which again I will show you as well. We have a simple class here called getPlayerName. This is just so we can set it properly within Unity. A high score, so this actually creates a high score object for our generic our generic collection that we're using. And so here in list high score, we actually at the beginning read from our text file to display the scores in our high score list. And here we actually use a method that returns our generic collection, and it uses link in order to order it by descending. So kind of 2 for 1 right there. And then this is our reading method that we're using up above. And then finally, we just have a main menu class here that just basically exits and loads the different scenes that we need for the game. So with that, let's go ahead and run the game. So right off the bat, we have this screen. This is kind of our interface for the beginning. We can go to our high scores, and you can see I've already played once, but these new texts just mean that we haven't had enough high scores in order to enter yet. So just they're there by default. We'll go back. We'll go ahead and play our game. And right off the bat, we'll go ahead and just enter our name. I'll just select a random one just to show you something new pops up. And we can shoot our asteroids, and right now they're not moving, so it's not like way fun, I know, but it is interactive. You're able to shoot at them. When you hit them, you'll notice the little animations that one of my artist friends drew. Our lives are being decremented as we hit these asteroids, and when we finally hit our last one, we blow up. And then we'll go to our high scores, and you'll notice that we now have a new score here added. And that's really it. As far as pebble distribution, same as always, Renee and I put in full 100%. The pebble distribution was 50-50. We worked on this assignment together at all times, and it was really fun. Thanks.